plugs actually look. These plugs look fine, honestly. I'm gonna keep them. Looks like somebody did change the plugs. For $6, I wasn't gonna take that chance. Hopefully we didn't walk anything down the cylinder. And we're actually gonna go ahead and leave the plugs out. Learn anything about these old engines? Learn anything about these old go-kart engines? Now see, that looks like a new condenser. It just got rusted. But $30, fuck it. So, Kart guy here. We got the motorcycle engine running pretty good. We're going to end up slapping it on this little cheap ass go-kart just for fun. I just thought I'd give you guys a little overview of the beast. Plus this little guy I picked up. No rear suspension. It was only $100. That's just a sprocket down there. Sprocket loose. That ain't gonna be on there anyways. Motorcycle one's going on there. I'm not really sure how to approach this. Because whoever put this front end on, oh my god, it's gonna be driving. It'll be better when I get rid of that battery box against my fucking back. This is nuts. So whose idea was it to do this? I can't even get out of the motherfucker. It does got a parking brake, so like if you push the brake, you can set it where you want. It's pretty nifty. So it's not much of a frame, so we got a lot of work ahead of us, as you can see. His beautiful welds let go down through here, so I'm not going to trust any of his welds. I'm not even sure what kind of welding that is. Some kind of stick that didn't have enough electric, I take it. But I just wanted to give you guys a little overview of the Kart I picked up for $100. Thought it was going to be a little bit different, but that's okay. We're going to slap that, we're going to get that wheel tilted up right. But we're going to slap that 500cc 5-speed on it somehow.